How to make keto olive oil fried eggs. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the olive oil and crack the eggs. 3. Season the eggs with salt and pepper. Cook them sunny side up. 4. Then, serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of keto olive oil fried eggs. Each serving comes out to be 277 calories, 24 grams fat, 0.8 grams net carbs, and 13.8 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.